This is Eric again, Lonestar Acoustics, your nationwide leader for sound masking. And today I want to highlight an installation that we just finished up in Medina, Ohio. Now Medina is a suburb of Columbus, and we've done quite a few projects in the Columbus area. For this particular client, they had a mixture of open office desks along with conference rooms and private offices. And as you can see, they had some glass around their conference rooms, some glass around the offices, which is very nice for letting light in and allowing people not to feel segmented. But in terms of acoustics, it's a little tougher. We put in our Cambridge Qt300 3-zone control module. That allowed us to treat the open area as a zone, the conference rooms as a zone, and the private offices as a zone. Because when you have four walls, let's say for a conference room or an office, the sound will typically self-amplify when it's bouncing off of the closer walls within one of those environments. So we run the system just a little quieter than we would in an open office setting. So we use the 3-zone control module. But as you can see with these pictures, some of these desks are really close to the others, so they were having some big issues with sound transfer from station to station, and we were able to reduce the radius that the speech carried throughout these rooms from about 50-60 feet down to about 10 to 15 feet. So a lot of relief, a lot of unwanted noise that we were able to take care of through the use of the Qt Pro system. So if you have an environment like this, we certainly would love to help you out. We're seeing a lot of these benching situations where you have a lot of people in a room, and then we're also seeing a lot of glass. We're seeing folks moving to that more kind of open architecture with the glass, and again, it's great for letting light in and allowing you not to feel segmented off from folks, but the acoustics is where the glass typically is a little tougher, so our system is going to definitely be able to help with that. So as you can see in a couple more of these pictures, the speakers that we utilize are only 3 inches in diameter, so it's a very small form factor speaker that just flush mounts nicely into those ceiling tiles. The sound coming out has a 170-degree dispersion angle, so the sound is pretty much running parallel with the ceiling and then washing downward for a nice, consistent, even sound, so that there's no hot spots, no cold spots, no in and out. It's literally nice and constant. So here's us unboxing and kind of getting ready to roll on the project, but it all turned out very well. Another satisfied client. We're actually working on a facility in New Jersey for them now. Again, we would love to help you out with your sound masking needs. Please feel free to call us 972-787-0808 or email sales@lonestaracoustics.com.